Hey everybody, this is Mike.
And Alicia.
And we are
Team Hermes.
And today we are in beautiful Memphis, Tennessee. And what are we doing?
Geocaching.
Of course we're geocaching. If you look around, you're going to see this is a beautiful spring day and this is a beautiful area. You're making me want to cry. It's so lovely.
No, we're just a little bit terrified at the moment. We're going to fall down this ravine.
Oh, she's going to push me, but we have video evidence if she does. And my lawyer will. Okay, that's enough. I got to go change my pants. We're going to be change your pants and caching. I guess we've invented a new hobby. All right, back on track. We were led into the middle of the woods here in front of this beautiful yet dangerous stream. And we just found one of the best geocaches we have ever found.
Yes, it was really cool.
I'll let her describe it.
And the terrain is a difficulty 3, actually. I thought it was a 4, but it's a 3. It probably could be a 4. Just for the fear factor.
And the danger factor.
But I don't want to give too much away because it's really, really fun. And the coordinates are kind of iffy on it, actually. When we first got here, it looked like we needed to be on that side. But thankfully, we did not have to go swimming.
Or jump.
Because I'm not the greatest jumper. So we did find it, and it is a huge cache. And the coolest thing about it is it's got all kinds of awesome goodies in it. If you want to pan around, we didn't let the little one come this close to the creek, but she is back there and playing with some cool swag she found. And Caitlin is there as well. So yeah, we just didn't want to let them get too close over here, so they're kind of staying in a safe zone.
Because I'm sure I've seen some alligators and some piranha in there. Pretty darn sure. Oh, look, a shark! Oh wait, no. That was just a minnow.
But anyway, this has really been a great day and a great, whoever did this one, we thank you. Because this has really been fun and we've enjoyed it. It's a little bit of a trek, but it's been wonderful. This has really been, it will definitely get a favorite point from us. This has been one of our favorites so far.
Now I'll just take a step back and... No!
Thanks guys, we'll see y'all later, hopefully.
Bye.